ki khubor ki Bniah. Ka Sorkar Jylla hinnen kasngi kalalum ya ka Jingïalang Khmih Bniah halor kilat Pynkhreh na benta ka Jingïalang G20 ka bansa penlong hasilong ha ka khatnyo bat khatpra tarik uyayong. Habakren shakilat pathai khubor usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba preston tensong ulaong ba ka Sorkar kalayakren sani bha bat baro ki tanat rekam ki badai Khmih bat ka Jylla kalong ka balakre ban pediang ya ki delegate jong ka G20 hasilong. Haba pensngau shakilat pathai khubor halor ki Pynkhreh ba kerpang ki ba ka Jylla kalashim na benta ka te ka Jingïalang uba tensong ulaong ba lashim khia lut na dong shadong nadu ka jingpen itanat jingpen bha hado kilat jingyada da ka ba benrap ba ka Jylla kalong ka balakre pan penlong ya ka te ka Jingïalang ka basaiso palat chispa arpongut ki delegate na kiri baper kin sawan poi ha shilong na benta ka te ka Jingïalang ba ya ka jakasa jongki lapin biang ha Marriott da ka courtyard ya ka Jingïalang on sa penlong ru ha kani ka jakasa.
Relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days, the G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting. And then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Jylla. Repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discussed, all the details. And as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome. Accommodation is done at Marriott Hotel.